The much anticipated Royal Enfield Classic 350 finally gets a launch date, and the motorcycle will make its debut on the 1st of September 2021. The Classic range has been the brand's best-selling offering for over a decade now, and the new model is extremely important to the company's future. The new Classic 350 will be the second model based on the J platform that also underpins the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The new Classic 350 is expected to draw power from the same 349cc single-cylinder engine as the Meteor. The motor is likely to develop the same 20 brake horsepower and 27 Nm of peak torque, while paired with a 5-speed gearbox. It is also expected to get a new console, revised styling, and a host of personalization options right from the factory. Prices for the new Classic 350 range could start from 1,80,000 rupees ex-showroom. Volkswagen India is all set to launch the Taigun compact SUV on the 23rd of September 2021, the company has confirmed. Pre-bookings for the Taigun have already begun, and we'll soon know the prices for the car. The Taigun will be available with the 1-litre and 1.5-litre TSI engine options, while transmission choices include a manual, torque converter, and a DSG. The Volkswagen Taigun is based on the MQB A0iN platform specifically designed for India, and will see over 93% local content going in. The car gets premium elements like LED headlights and DRLs, 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, conjoined LED tail light, and more. The cabin sports a dual-tone theme and also packs a 10-inch touchscreen display, a flat-bottom steering wheel, ventilated seats, a fully digital instrument console, and lots more. Prices for the new Taigun are expected to begin from 10 lakh rupees onwards ex-showroom. The highly anticipated Hyundai i20 N-Line was unveiled recently, bringing a sportier avatar of the premium hatchback. With cosmetic upgrades and a few mechanical tweaks, this will be the sportiest iteration of the i20 yet. And now, Hyundai India has begun accepting pre-bookings for the new i20 N-Line for a token amount of 25,000 rupees. The new N-Line version will be sold only through select dealerships across the country. Compared to the standard i20 Turbo Petrol, the N-Line version gets a recalibrated steering geometry to offer better feedback. It also gets a 30% stiffer suspension setup. The model also gets a revised grille, muscular-looking front bumper, side skirts, and a diffuser integrated into the rear bumper. The cabin gets upgraded with all-black upholstery with contrast red stitching, N-inspired gear knob, and aluminium pedals. The i20 N-Line will only be offered with the 1-litre turbocharged petrol engine with the IMT and DCT gearbox options. The DCT version does the 0 to 100 km/h sprint in 9.9 seconds.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.